How to get more hours with Keep the Dishes in the app. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can get more hours in Keep the Dishes app. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Skip the Dishes account, just like I have done here. And then you can log in by opening up the app. So once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page where you can see your delivery, you can see different food. That you can get from different restaurants. And always you can see all of this by the lower part of the screen. You can also see different icons, such as the home icon, the search icon, the others icon, and then the rewards icon. Once you've seen all of this, by the top right corner of the screen, you can also see your profile icon. Now, for you to be able to get more hours on Skip the Dishes application, you would have to become a driver. And how to become a driver? By clicking on the profile icon, scrolling down, and then you can see drive with Skip. Then click on become a courier, and then after creating a courier account, you'll be given hours. All right, you'll be given a scheduling hours where you can see the number of hours that you have to spend on the Skip app. So if you want to get more hours, all you need to do is to check out your schedule, check out those hours that you have time, or those hours where you have orders, and those hours where you are free, and then ensure that you're always available within those free hours. Okay, if you're always available online, or you're always available around those areas, you will definitely be, whenever an order is coming in, you can just process it and then ask to take up the order. All right, it's that simple, right? So the first step is by becoming a driver, checking out your schedules, and then fixing fixing time intentionally into those times where you're free, deciding to work during those times by being active on the app, and also being able or and fast enough in accepting the orders that have been placed. So this is how to go about it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.